How to delete Zebpay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to delete your Zebpay account. In order to delete your Zebpay account, you have to first of all log in, and when you're logged into your account, you need to go to the account section or your profile section, and then press the profile icon, go to account settings and scroll down a bit. You'll be able to find security. You just have to press on that. When you're on the security center, you'll be able to see this autofill where you have to scroll down a bit, go to deactivate account. In order to permanently deactivate your Zebpay account, your balance must be minimal thresholds, so you could just read the terms and conditions. Moving on, you just read the statement and click on deactivate. If you're sure about it, then you need to give a reason for deactivating your account and press the deactivate button. As soon as you've done that, your account has been deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. So that is how you can deactivate or delete your Zebpay account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.